Right, welcome back everybody to another little video here. What we're going to be doing in today's video, I've actually took the Piaggio NRG off of the ramp and I've put the TZR frame on there because I want to get a bit of work done on this frame. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be fitting these new tapered head race bearings and getting the faults on hopefully, and maybe trying to get a couple of other little things on. I did want to get the wheels on, but I thought I did order some wheel bearings, but I didn't, so I've just ordered them just now. And let's take a look at the wheels and see what they turned out like. Right, and as you can see, the wheels are fully powder coated now with tyres on. We're running Michelin's on there, so they look fantastic. And as you can see, we've got the forks on the workbench now, ready to go with the TZR frame. So let's get these tapered bearings fitted, these front forks on, and in the next video we'll hopefully get some wheels on it, because I'd say I did want to get them on in this video, but obviously without the bearings we can't do that. So we'll see if we can bolt a few other little things on. Let's get started. Right, we've got Soppy here now.
Hi. Put it on its side. Protect everything. I want it higher up.
Yeah, hold on.
Where you going?
Bring the table up, mate.
Bring it up.
That's what I got hydraulics for. I didn't want to catch it on there, see.
Well, I thought you were going to sit it on there because it's nice and cushioned, isn't it?
That's what I've done it for.
I've had to stop what I'm doing to give him a hand. That'll do you. Put it on that nice protected surface. Just tap that in. I've got the old bearing case here just to tap these tapered bearing seats in. I don't know what I'm doing it for anyway.
I'll give you experience.
Nearly that. I know why, because you don't want your bloody nails, do you? Your fingers.
I know. Might
I've
hurt.
just done.
Might hurt.
You could pull these in with bearing pullers, but it's worth just well. Can't do this with a big socket and all. In fact, have you got a big socket?
I've got everything.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do then. I'll still use that, but I'll put that on top of that like that, you see. It's called making do and mend. That's better. That's it. Can you hear it bottoming out?
Yeah.
Changing note. That's it. Take that one out. That's it. Perfect. That's a perfect job.
Let's get the top one then.
Right, well, I'll let you do this one then, shall I? There's your seat.
Where?
That's your top. Yeah, you sold that, got rid of that. That's your top bearing. Keep them apart because they are different bearings. Going in.
That's all the way in. See that in there.
Let's go back down. You should hear the note change. It's there, isn't it?
So it's in. I see it, mate.
Yeah, see that one sticks out a lot more, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a higher.
I'm sure about that because you said these are the right bearings for the bike. You double check the numbers and all that, haven't you?
Yeah, I've just been back on the website.
These are tapered bearings. I don't know whether they're deeper seats on these ones. We'll soon find out when we put it back together. But lucky enough, we can find that out now, basically. So you've got to pack the bearings. The bottom one we've already put on the shaft. So you pack the top one, which is grease. Yeah. You've got the gloves on, and I've got dirty hands.
Where's the grease?
This is just normal standard LM high melting point grease. Push it in, whack it in with your thumb. Don't be frightened of it.
Oh no.
Don't push it about with it.
Yeah.
Get a big glob of it and force it in.
That's what I'm doing, mate. Don't want to get waste.
There'll be no waste. What some people do, they put it in a bag and then plastic bag and then squeeze it and then squeeze it. You ain't got to worry about your hands then, you see.
No, I'm not worried, I've got gloves. There's a lot of grease in there now.
Yeah, good. So there should be. Right, that's the top one, isn't it?
Look, tickle tackle.
What are we going to do with that then? We're going to grease the bottom one now. Seeing as your hands are all dirty, whack it in there. If you go in through the top, that's it, push it in and it goes behind the back of the bearing while you're spinning it round. Right, that's it. You happy with that?
Yeah, just wash my hands off.
Okay. You know it there if you want. Right. Just drop it down a little bit. There you go.
Bring that down a bit. can let go of that, it's got it now.
Right, it's just got that. You just nip that slightly up. Hold it. Go on. Oh.
Right then, so we've got the top yoke on. We've just got the last bolt to put on the top there. In fact, I'll take that off. What size is it?
No play in the forks whatsoever. And they're moving lovely and freely from lock to lock. Absolutely perfect.
23mm.
Now there will be a Torx setting for that one there, but we use FT. We use our experience.
Ready?
There we go. Absolutely perfect.
Beautiful.
Right, that's that. Well done.
So we can put these on now while you're here.
What? Yeah, the old clip-ons. Now, do they go what way?
Yeah.
That way. Yep.
You have to open them up.
Oh, what?
Oh, mine's
already on.
Yeah, there's that then. Let me just get the size for that. Where is it?
These are the right bolts that come off of there, yeah?
That's what come out of it, yeah.
Have you got the little caps, the rubber caps that sit on the top of these?
I've got them here somewhere,
Oh,
yeah.
you've got them, that's what I was just saying.
Yeah.
That's what's missing. When you get the fairing on, you'll get the exact position of them.
Oh, well, that's got to go up there actually, there's a screw hole.
Oh, there is a hole, so there's a position for it.
Yeah.
Right, so have you got them screw holes? Yeah, you've got a little guide screw that sits in there so you get the correct angle. So they can't go in the wrong position basically, you know. It's like the right ones. So you put them ones in first, that's your guide ones. That's so they can't rotate. And you nip up afterwards with the other ones. There we go, that's them two.
It's like a retro restore channel.
Well, it is, isn't it? It's like a retro restore video. Right, that's it.
I think what I'll do now is put this under the swinging arm and it can sit on the forks then. A bit safer then, isn't it? Yeah, wide enough.
Seen it? There you go.
Well, while you're here, you might as well give me a hand with this.
What now?
Putting this side stand on, pull the spring. I might as well make use of you, ain't I?
I've got my own work to do. Right, they're normally quite tight them, so happy days with that.
Suppliers.
I'd put it on that end first. Good. Oh, that's the end. Go on, keep going again.
I thought you said hold on.
That's it, okay. There you go.
There you go.
Well, that was the simplest one I've ever done.
Let's nip that bolt up.
Yeah, just tighten that bolt up there.
Can't see it. Is it going to reach?
Yeah, you want it, you want it.
Yeah, you do that and I'll just hold this. Just got to nip it up.
Right, there we go.
Another bit to the puzzle.
Yeah, nice and clean, nice tidy. Works a treat.
Right then, so while we're here, I'm just going to stick these foot pegs back on. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of copper slip just on that thread there, and we'll get that through there. We'll get another bit of slip on there. So another little bit to the puzzle. We'll just go around and fit the other side. Right, so same again on this side. And there we go. Right then, so in the next video, we're hopefully going to get this front headlight surround on with the clocks butted up to there. And we might try and get the front headlight fitted if we haven't got the wheel bearings by then, because I would like to get the wheels on as well. So depending when the wheel bearings come, to depending whether we get this front end built up first. And when we're building the front end up, we'll probably get these sandblasted down with a liquor paint on them, and we'll get them fitted as well. So I'm going to leave it here for this little video, and it's nice to be working back on the TZR. We've still got the Piaggio NRG project going on. That electric start is working, by the way. I just had to change the fuse in it because the fuse was blown in it, and I changed that and it started up with the electric start, no problem at all. So what we've got left on the Piaggio is for the front panel prepped, ready for paint, because there's still a crack on that, so I've got to plastic weld that. We've got the side panels in primer still, so I still need to order the main colour blue, and there are a little bit more stuff to tidy up. I want to give the front forks a bit of a paint just to make them look a bit better, but that's in another video. I just wanted to get back on the TZR. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this TZR is taking shape today. It's nice to see it resembling a bit of a bike. We're going to leave it here now, and until next time, we'll see you about.